These are breaking inputs coming in as far as the Supreme Court goes on protection of the Taj. It has come down heavily on the UP government for not having a comprehensive plan in place on the conservation and preservation of the ancient monument of love. The Supreme Court for now has refused permission or to give the go-ahead to construct the multi-level parking area near the Taj Mahal, saying that because the government has already not acted on the advice of coming up with a comprehensive plan on the preservation of the monument, it will not allow permission for the construction of the multi-level parking to come up near the Taj Mahal. We have with us our correspondent Meenakshi Banja getting us those inputs there. Meenakshi, this is of course categorically putting on hold the construction of this multi-level parking. What's the UP government to do next now?
Well, indeed, Sir, and this is a very perhaps embarrassing moment for the Uttar Pradesh government, because remember, a little perspective very quickly for our viewers. This was a parking lot which was envisaged by the Akhilesh Yadav government. The Yogi government wanted to continue with it, and in the past the Supreme Court had declined permission, but it was subsequently again upon further request of the Yogi Adityanath government that the Supreme Court had willingly been open to the idea of a reconsideration. But in doing so, what the UP government has failed has been to showcase its bona fides about the long-term preservation plans and the conservation of the Taj Mahal. This is a multi-level parking lot on the east gate of the Taj, and clearly the Supreme Court wanted a detailed plan from the UP government, which again has met with a knot. It has not met with the Supreme Court's approval because there has been no submission of a detailed comprehensive plan, which has today invoked the apex courts. And like you rightly pointed out, for now, the Supreme Court has gone ahead and put a stop to this construction of the multi-level parking. The Supreme Court also wanting to know from authorities as to why they're not going ahead and conducting these meetings pertaining to the conservation plan of the Taj once in every 2 months as they are slated to or expected to. So UP government on the back foot. One, they wanted to retain a parking lot which was envisaged by the Akhilesh Yadav government. Secondly, they're not able to convince the Supreme Court about the bona fides of the case. And thirdly, said they're not able to come out with a comprehensive conservation preservation plan pertaining to the Taj Mahal.
That's right. Something that should have already been in place before they approached the Supreme Court to reconsider on that, which is why the current UP government taken to task by the Supreme Court. Meenakshi, thank you for getting us those inputs there.